everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing, and that is of a latest in beauty box. I was subscribed to this box for some time and then unsubscribed because I felt that there was a lack of choice on the website. This subscription works different than most of the other ones out there in that you actually pick the products that you get each month. They have a selection of products on their website, from hair care to skincare and some makeup products as well, from an array of different brands. They also occasionally release edit boxes, which are usually more expensive but usually contain more high-end products. And as I say, the reason I cancelled a few months ago was because I found the choice from selected from was very limited, and was a lot of hand creams and lip balms and things like that, so decided to cancel it. But I did get the usual emails that you get trying to tempt you back in, and this was with a £5 off. I will put the code on the screen for that because it is still valid till the 31st of August in case anyone else is interested. It is just AUG5. And this gives you £5 off a choose your own box, and they have 3 different levels of choose your own box. There is a 3-item one which is £9 a month, there is a 6-item one which is £15 a month, and then I think the next one is 9 items for £22 a month, I believe. So I had a look around the website and there still wasn't a great amount of choice, but because I haven't had anything for a while, there was a few things I was interested in. So I went for the 3 products for £9 because with the discount it was mean I was only paying £4. This does include shipping, so most things I was going to pick were going to end up being a great deal after all. Signing up to this has meant I'm now signing back on to the rolling contract to receive 3 products each month. But what I will do is there is a window before you pick the next products in which point you can cancel, because you can cancel at any time. You just have to, there's a window, either 7 days prior to payment being taken. So once it comes to that period, I'm going to go on the website and see if there are another 3 items that I want. If not, I will cancel the subscription. But let me show you what I got in this month's box. As with the usual latest in beauty boxes, you always get a random freebie thrown in. This month is no different, and these are a packet of crisps, and they are organic chickpea puffs, sweet and smoking. I think I received these exact ones in the very first box I received from Latest in Beauty. I personally didn't like them, but I think my husband did, so he's going to get this packet as well. There was actually another freebie in this month's box, and for all people who subscribe to a box in August, they get a free Palmer's Coconut Oil Lip Balm. And this is a really good brand, I know, especially for the Cocoa Butter Moisturiser, but I've never tried one of their lip balms before, and I am a big fan of most things coconut, so I'm looking forward to trying this because I've actually just come to the end of my current lip balm, so perfect timing. Another thing as well with the code for August, if you are a new subscriber altogether, if you've never signed up to their website before and you sign up with the code AUG5, you will also receive a free eyeliner, which I think is from the brand Ciate London, which is a really good brand as well. So for the sake of £4, you can get yourself 3 products you choose, a free lip balm, a free eyeliner, and possibly a free packet of crisps. To the products that I chose, and the first one is from the brand Biore, I think that's how you say it, and these are the deep cleansing pore strips. I haven't actually tried the ones from Biore before, but I had tried a couple of cheaper branded ones because I did used to really suffer from blackheads on my nose. They aren't so bad now, but I still felt like I wanted to try these to sort of get rid of the ones that are still there. And these are also quite funky because they come in zebra print. There are 6 contained within here, and I have tried one so far, and to be honest, I didn't actually see anything come off in it. From what I've seen in videos on the internet, you normally see the contents of your pores, disgusting as that is, on the strip once it's finished, but I couldn't see anything. Whether that meant my pores in my nose were clear, I'm not too sure, but I will give them another go. But at the moment I've not noticed any difference than the ones I paid, I think £1 or £2 for in Superdrug. I think these normally retail for about £7, so that in itself, just getting these, the box is paid for itself. The next thing I chose was a Sanctuary Spa Moisturising Burst Facial Wash, And Sanctuary is a really good make that we can get in Boots here, and it doesn't come cheap. I think this retails for £8 to £9 for this size. So again, to get this, and I've only paid £4 for the box, is great. And it's got, if you can see, little pink beads in it. So I thought that would be quite interesting to try, and I think I am suffering from a bit of dry skin on my face at the moment because I've noticed my foundation is collecting sort of on my forehead on dry patches of skin. I could just maybe need a new foundation, but when I see Moisture Burst I thought that would be a good thing to try. And it smells like it's got the original Sanctuary scent that is in most of their products. So looking forward to trying this, and I will get back to you on my opinions on this. The final product that I chose was a couple of beauty sponges by the brand Eco Tools. Again, another great brand, and this is a small and a medium/large blender. I haven't actually opened these yet because I didn't want to rip the packaging apart, but if you can see, they've got a wedge end to them, which looks like that would be great for getting into the side of your nose and underneath the eyes and things like that. So again, I'm looking forward to trying these. I have a couple of eyeshadow brushes from Eco Tools, and they are really great brushes. Hopefully these will work out too, but again, I will get back to you with my opinions. So that was it for my latest in beauty unboxing for this month. Like I said, I will see what is available for September's box and either cancel at that point or give it another go, because £9 for 3 products isn't too bad, because most of the brands they have on there are a bit pricier. So even if you're not getting a full size product, £3 per product isn't too bad to pay, at least to try something out especially. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.